Hi everybody, Alex Deployer from Expert Forex, and I hope this video gives you lots of money-making Forex trading ideas. In today's video, we're going to have a look at a simple and easy way of earning Forex income on a high success basis. So the first thing to do is to find a reliable trading technique, and on your screen you can see the RSI overbought and oversold technique, which is really very reliable, especially when traded in a sideways market. And you can see examples of that is when the RSI goes overbought and comes back, you trade a sell transaction, and the opposite for oversold. When it comes back from the oversold environment, you trade a buy transaction. As you can see, it catches really good turning point candles. Same as it comes back, sell. As it goes back, buy. As it goes back there, it's a buy, and as it goes back there, it's a sell. And as you can see, it catches the turning points extremely well, and as we will see later on, that this is an extremely high success technique. Now, it is currently extremely oversold, but we wouldn't trade that yet until it actually comes back out of the oversold environment. So this is all you need. This, as simple as this trading technique is, that's all you need to create high success entries. Now, how do you then trade this technique? And there are many ways that you can do that. Firstly, you can monitor it on a manual basis, and as you can see here, I have a couple of charts, and you could manually have a look at when it's going oversold and when it comes back, and then manually enter the trades as they happen. And you can do this on any time frame. This kind of setup, you can do it for 4 hours, 1 hour, daily, and shorter time frames if you like. So the manual option is there. Then there is the option of using special Forex trading tools, and on your screen you can see the 360-degree Forex indicator that is monitoring the RSI readings for the whole market, for all the major crosses in the market on all the time frames up to the daily time frame, and you can actually then see all the readings for those particular currencies on your screen. It will also, and unfortunately it's not showing any potential trades at the moment, I'm doing this over a weekend, but it will also show you when there are potential trades that can be traded. It will also highlight areas when they are extremely overbought or extremely oversold. And what's nice about this, you can do it on the RSI, you can do it on the stochastic, on the CCI, the MACD, and a whole lot of other indicators. So pretty useful indicator. Now, the next alternative is to use a Forex trading robot, and on your screen again you can see the tradable RSI EA that will automatically trade for you, and you can see the settings for this particular one. And if you go through the settings, you'll see that it basically does exactly what I've explained earlier. It trades the overbought and oversold trades on the RSI as they return back from an overbought or oversold environment. It also has a few options that reduce risk, in that it will not trade if you've had a loss in a certain direction. It will not trade in that direction again, and that is to avoid you from trading this technique in a trending market. It also has a trend identifier, which will be in the very next upgrade in the next week or two. So this RSI will scan the whole market and will trade all the signals that are described in the earlier slide. Then you can link your account to an account that is trading the tradable RSI, and this is done through our Forex Trading Club. It is a free service to club members. All you have to do is join the club, and you can link this account to yours through the club. And on the screen you can see the progress of this particular account, making pretty good progress. And the big thing here, as you can see, it's traded most probably all 28 the currencies that are available, so it is trading the whole lot, but the win rate is 82%. And that's a feature of this particular method, the win rates are extremely high. Because we only trading exceptionally overbought and oversold signals, the win rates are very, very high. Now, this has been a very high level overview of the RSI overbought and oversold technique. If you do have any specific questions or comments, please leave them in the YouTube facility provided, and I'll be happy to answer those. Now, I hope I've given you some Forex trading money-making ideas to consider. Thanks for watching this video. If you've liked it, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe and click the bell. But most importantly, share this video. You can do this in many ways. Message your friends, send them emails, or share it on social media, on Facebook, on Twitter, and those kind of places. So from me, Alex Aploy, cheerio.